Hello everyone, this is day 15 of our 20-day React full course. And today we are learning about what is the custom hook and how to create it. Okay, and today we will learn how to create a simple hook here. And today we are going to create a custom hook for counter. And hooks is something which we use in component like a feature which maybe appears in two or more component, and if we write it again and again it may be very hectic, like and that's why we use hook. And today we learn how to create custom hook with our predefined hook like state and effect, use state and use effect. And for that, let me first of all making a function here for my app.jsx function. And here, let me first check like hi, and okay, it's working. Now, let me make a component here, which is like a counter.jsx. And here, okay, uh, today we are learn how to create a counter through which I can increase or decrease the using this two button. How, let me check how it is looking in my let me use it here. Like, okay, let me see. Okay, and what I want here should be showing numbers, and on clicking the increase number should be increased, and on clicking on decrease the number should be decreased. And for now it's completed. Let me make one folder here for hooks, and here I am going to make use counter. For making any hook, a custom hook, there should be no that the component name, or we can say JavaScript name, should be having use in the front of their name. Okay, and one more thing is that this hook should only be used in component, and it should not used in loops or conditions. Okay, now let me make here like function. Here I'm making a state which is count commas, the initial value, like I want that initial value should be given by the component itself where it is using. And if they not give us, then by default it should be 0. And now I want to make function similarly for decrement. Okay, and lastly we should export our use counter, export default, and uh, as I know we should, you can also export it by named export, because I have only one band, that's why I am just. And here the last but not the least, what I have to do have to return the count, increment, increase, and decrease, and that is complete. Now I want it to use in the counter, like for that I have to first const, and there is a count and increase and a decrease, and I want it to from counter, and I want that initial value is 0. I If I not give anything, it will by default take 0, and I want that, like, use it here with this. Okay, and similarly for this, like on click, it should call increase, and similarly for decrease. Okay, and now let me see, is there any problem here? mm, Increase, decrease is not defined at counter. Okay, now, okay, it is working. On clicking on increase, it is increasing, and on clicking on decrease, it is decreasing. You just have to use this custom hook, and you can use this counter. Okay, and let me, and this is a simplest example of making any custom hook.